Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cover on your exhaust fan in your bathroom. Now, this is the old fan grill cover that's on there, and you know, these can be cleaned, but if you've tried everything to get them clean, at your local Ace store, you'll find replacement covers for these fans. This is how it works. You actually grab this and you pull it down, okay? This particular one has springs that are holding it in place. Some have screws, but this is very common. You take your fingers and you pinch the springs to lower them from the housing itself. See that? And that's the spring that comes down. And you do the same thing on the other side. Now, if it's dirty up inside there, it's a good idea to take a brush and clean that up. This particular fan is a demo model, and this is the brand new cover, and it has the same springs. And now what you do, you see that little slit right there, there's two of them, and what you want to do is line up the little spring clips inside those slits on each side, and it'll hang there. You know that it's hanging there, not all the way, and then you just gently push it up. Brand new grill installed. Coming up next, my video on how to clean grout.